Good morning, friends. I'm right back with again a very important topic on location analysis. It's a crucial micro topic, a micro point, location strategy. What do you understand by location strategy? And as an organization, what strategy the organization should think of? What should be the ideal location strategy for any organization who is entering into a hotel? I am not talking about owners who develop hotels for their own usage and own business, which I had discussed in my first series of owners, types of owners. There are n number of different types of owners, but I am talking about a business house who is developing a hotel for business, to gain revenue, to maximize on profits. So location strategy is very clear. The goal should be very clear. What should be the goal? The goal of any organization would be customer satisfaction, customer delight. Customer should be happy. He should go smiling once he patronizes your property. That should be the location strategy. Point number one. Point number two, what type of customers or what type of guests do we get in our business for in the hotels? One is the leisure traveler. What does the leisure traveler looks for? Leisure traveler looks for, say, nature, environment. It looks for the kind of what kind of nature will support him for his health. Could be he wants to come out of the hustle and bustle of the city, so he looks at some kind of a peace of mind, not much of noise, a quiet place. He may look at anything connected to nature which will give him a little bit of peace, and some go for entertainment to get disconnected with their routine life. That is one kind of a customer. Here you will see family, friends. The second type of customer is a business traveler. Now business traveler will look at what? He will look at the city center, the proximity of your hotel and the business areas in that particular city. He will look at the commuting time from your hotel to the city center or the location where he is supposed to reach. He will look at the transportation part, the traffic part. So all those factors will be considered by the business traveler. So while you are working out on the location strategy, kindly don't ignore these factors. They are important. The first, I spoke about the guests, the satisfaction. Second, I spoke about the different types of travelers, the leisure traveler and the business traveler. In the nutshell, these are the factors, these are the things which has to be looked at while working out your location strategy. Signing off, once again, Shailesh Fulsunge, father of a superboy, a hotelier since 1988, a Taj veteran, Amazon #1 best-selling author, a steward transformed into a managing director, founder of Melon Hospitality Private Limited. If you like my videos, say like, press the bell icon to subscribe my channel. I'll be right back with good information, a lot of micro videos coming into abundance. Stay tuned, stay connected. Thank you. Bye.